everyone! What's the worst thing about throwing a party in space? You'll have to plan it. Speaking of planets and parties, today we're going to party with the planets of the solar system. 3, 2, 1, blast off! And here's a map of the 8 planets of our solar system. While we wait for the spaceship to arrive, let's learn a few things. A synodic day is the amount of time it takes for a planet to spin around, which is 24 hours. In this video, however, I'll keep it simple and just say day. A year is the amount of time it takes for a planet to go around the sun. Rocky planets are small planets made of rock and metal. The inner 4 planets of the solar system are rocky planets. Gas giants are big planets made of gas. The outer 4 planets are gas giants. First up, aren't you excited? Introducing Mercury! Mercury is the smallest planet. It is the closest to the sun. It has no moons. Wow, it must be lonely. It is a rocky planet, just like Earth. Mercury takes almost 88 Earth days to go around the sun. That's a short year. We know the least about Mercury out of all the planets in our solar system. And here's Mercury for ya. Stop number 2. Aren't you excited to meet Venus? Venus is the second planet from the sun. It has no moons, just like Mercury. Hey, they can make a no moons club. It is the hottest planet. Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet because it's almost the same size. I wonder if they get into fights. On Venus, a day is longer than a year. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days, and a day on Venus is 243 Earth days. Don't know about you, but I think it's a very long day. Venus spins in the opposite direction from the other planets. And here's Venus, the hottest planet of the solar system. Now presenting Earth, the life of the party, quite literally. Earth is the planet we live on. It is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the only planet in the solar system with lots of liquid water, aka our oceans. It is the largest rocky planet. It has one moon, the moon you see in the night sky. Earth is the only planet in the solar system with life on its surface. You're a part of that life. And here's Mother Earth. It's red. It's a planet. It's Mars, the reddest planet of them all. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It has 2 moons. The biggest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. A Martian day is 24 hours and 37 minutes, pretty close to our day. However, a Martian year is almost 2 Earth years long. It is the most explored planet other than Earth. Scientists have sent many robots to explore Mars. Mars, the red planet. Whoa! Do you see that? It's huge. Say hi to Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. It is the first of the gas giants. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. In fact, Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot is a storm bigger than Earth. It has at least 79 moons. That's a lot of moons if you ask me. A day on Jupiter lasts only 10 hours. Jupiter has very small rings. Here's Jupiter. Whose rings are these? Saturn's, of course! Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. It is a gas giant. It is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It has at least 82 moons. Imagine seeing that many moons when you look up at the sky. Saturn is famous for its huge rings. Its rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn is the least dense planet. If you put it in an unimaginably big bathtub, it will actually float. Here's Saturn and its famous rings. Tipped on its side, who could it be? Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet. Uranus is tilted so much it is sideways. It's an acrobat. Uranus has rings. They're smaller than Saturn's rings, but bigger than Jupiter and Neptune's. A year on Uranus is 84 years on Earth. Uranus has 27 moons. And here's Uranus the acrobat. Last stop, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is the smallest gas giant. It has the fastest wind in the solar system. Neptune has rings. Neptune has 14 known moons. There could be more. It takes almost 165 Earth years for Neptune to go around the Sun. This means Neptune has the longest year in the solar system. Of course, here's the last planet around the solar system. Wait! You're probably thinking, what about Pluto? Well, when Pluto was discovered in 1930, people thought it was a planet. But in 2006, scientists decided that it didn't meet the definition of planet. Pluto was put into a group known as dwarf planets. There are many dwarf planets in the solar system, like Eris and Sedna. Here's a Pluto joke for you. Why did Mickey Mouse go to outer space? He was looking for Pluto. Yeah, Pluto was named after the dwarf planet. Thanks for watching!